Hello and welcome to Houses in Dorchester. My name is Tessa and today I'm going to be showing you around the 2018 Peugeot 308. It's got a 1.6 litre engine, it's currently done 417 miles with one previous keeper, it's fitted with 18-inch alloy wheels, it's got Bluetooth connectivity, a satellite navigation system and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Thank you for watching this short video on the Peugeot 308. If you'd like to come and look at it yourself, we're down in London Road in Dorchester and our contact number is 01305 266 066.